Hello, I'm Evan Susko, and this is CS50's, CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript, and this is problem 0, and I want to show how my Google search site work. Open default browser. Okay, this is the first page. We can go to the 2 second pages. We try to write boss. Okay, Google search, and it is find all results for boss. We try to direct search, and it is go to the first link of the list of the results for Google search. Okay, go to the Google image search, write the doc, and it shows for us all results for pictures of docs, and return. Return to the Google search, and the most difficult one page, it's advanced search. Here we can go to the advanced search directory, doc, and put here what we want to find and specifications. But here we can, this is like the main page. It will find all words. This query will, this window will find only blue doc, for example. All blue doc will be found, which is consist with these two words. Any of these words, it will be found blue, red doc, blue or red doc. No, blue or red or doc. Okay, it works. And this is will delete some words. For example, we have this one, and delete blue. And it will find red docs. Okay, this work. Return to the Google search. It looks like a Google style. Thank you for watching.